So I'm at the first thrift shop. It is immaculate. Not immaculate. It is huge, big. This is La Pointe, I believe. La Pointe on Linden. So I'm in Bushwick and I'm gonna go to a few different stores. And this is the first one that I stopped at. I was inspired by Michelle because she did say it would be cool if I did a YouTube video on it, so I am. And one of the first items I found was this lovely leather jacket. It's only $15, but I'm looking more so for jean jackets today. I want a big jean jacket, some hoodies, and some cool flannels because I have some ideas in mind. Definitely I'm wearing a mask, so it may be a little bit muffled, but hopefully you can hear me. And there's some great like music, Spanish music playing in the back. Even more shoes in this room. It's crazy. Here is Le Pointe over here in Flushing, because I was at the other one. And then this is the vintage shop down the block that I was supposed to be going to. I swear I've been here before. This is the art on here. Okay, in every color hoodie that you could imagine. But what about the prices? Oh, $8. I love that they have overalls here. Look at these. These are so freaking dope. Gosh. It was done. But it's not. It still has another area to go. This bridge of sorts. Military jacket. They have so much military stuff here. I'm in love with this. I'm gonna get one. Okay guys, so I am back with my hauled items and I'm gonna give you like a mini haul. I'm not gonna show you all of my full looks because some of the items I can't fit or some of the items are big and I'm not exactly gonna wear them this way, but I just want to give you an overview of some of the items that I purchased. So the first item that I actually bought, not the first item, but the first item that I'm showing you is kind of this flannel wool chaps shirt. It's like a tweed, really small, knitted green with like black threaded button-up shirt with which I love these patches on the elbows. They save your elbows, especially if you like to put them on your desk and your tables. But yeah, so I kind of see this as becoming maybe like a shirt dress or part of a jacket. I am not sure yet, but the idea behind it I actually love. Love what I kind of envision what this could be. And I think I got this for like around $10. thoughts? What would you guys, you know, in the comments below, tell me what would you do with this oversized shirt? Would you wear it as is, or do you have something custom that you think would go perfectly for you? The next item up is this oversized jean jacket. This is actually a Jordache. Okay, this is, if you are 80s and 90s, baby, you know what Jordache is. Oversized jean jackets are all over the place. I was getting this jacket to kind of, I was possibly going to obviously make something else with it, or maybe even resell, kind of design it. But I found this jean jacket and it's just so classically nice. I didn't really want to play with it too much. I was like, maybe I do something with the sleeve, like one of the sleeves or something. But aside from that, I really don't want to like damage this because it's vintage and it's cute, and it like is from a time. So like just a plain oversized jacket. Look, like you guys see the back, and you can wear this, to me, in my opinion, you can wear this with something like that's really fitted and tight under it, because this is so baggy. So it's like wearing a boyfriend, I would call this like a boyfriend jacket or oversized jacket, and you wear something super fitted underneath, a nice maxi kind of bodycon dress, and put this over it. It's great for the fall. It's great for a summer night if it's chilly and cold outside. Like, I just love this jacket. It's such a nice jean color, and it does give you vintage vibes. I think it's just right. What do you guys think of this jacket? Try not to get makeup on this. A piece that I got that was similar to the chap shirt was this yellow Nautica button-up, men's button-up, so it's oversized on me. And I wanted to try a few things. Well, it's almost up. It's almost close to just above my knee. It is a little sexy because it just covers my booty. But I did want to try to do one of those big like shirt dresses, like you take the dress and you tie it up and you make it you take a shirt and you make it a dress. And I wanted to add some jean pieces and mix and match and just make it super cute. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with it, but I mean, I could always tie it, you know, tie it at the waist to make it a dress. But for sure, I want to make this a dress. I just don't know exactly what I want to do yet with it, but I know that I have the vibe of making this a dress. What designs have you seen that you've liked, that you could recommend, that you think would go with this? This, I think, was about $10 at one of the thrift shops. I really like the color. Like, I love a nice pop of color to wear, and I can just envision some ideas that, you know, I could put together for this. Next item is this cute skirt, which actually I think I got for, do I have the price tag on it? No, I don't have the price tag. This is, I think I got this for like 15 bucks, to be honest. It's 11-12, and I just cannot fit it. Like, I forgot that like leather skirts really don't have give. It's really the faux leather skirts that have give, but it's such a cute skirt, and I'm like, I'm gonna lose weight and be able to fit it. So guys, you know, pray for me, wish me luck that I can fit this gorgeous, beautiful pencil leather skirt. That's my goal. Obviously I got this at the thrift store, so this isn't new. This is something that I'm actually gonna, you know, it's repurposed. I adore this leather skirt. It's what I see, like, I feel like I'm in one of those 90s movies with Eddie Murphy or something. I just really like the skirt and I want to wear it. I just can't fit it yet, so that's why I'm not trying it on and showing it to you guys. But I have tons of like places to wear it with. Like, even if I wore it with this, right? Like, even if I wore it with this, it just looks cute. Like, it looks cute with everything. That's when you know you love something, when you're like, it looks cute with everything. One of the other items that I got was this leather jacket. This is another 90s, late 80s item. What's the brand? It's called Phase 2. It's probably from one of those old leather spots, you know, that you just go to, you pick up a jacket. I actually cleaned all these items. You know, I don't want y'all to be like, oh, she nasty, she just gets stuff from the thrift shop. I mean, I would be nasty, but no, guys, See, look, I cleaned, that's why I can't even put this on right now, because I didn't put the jacket back inside out. But anyways, this is like in such good condition. It's just such a cute jacket. Like, I washed the inside. I put it in the laundromat. So it has these little pull ties so you can kind of fit it to your waist. I feel like this is the first time I really tried it on. I just cleaned it so far. And then, oh wait, one thing is missing. The zipper doesn't have a hook, so you have to kind of do it with your hand. That might be the issue with this. Okay, whatever. I can figure that out. That's small. That's small. I believe I paid $15 for this jacket. What do you guys think? I even cleaned the pockets out. It has pockets. It's just so cute. And I love things with hoods because in the winter, like, you just want, I have short hair, so I get cold. My head gets cold. I just love that I can just put my hood on and it's cute. It reminds me of a jacket like that my sister has. So I think that's one of the reasons I was like, oh, you know, this is so cute. But it's also so vintage and I just love this jacket. And I can't wait to wear it in the fall. Like, I'm excited. Even though we're going into the summer, I'm excited to wear this. What do you guys think? Okay, now I gotta take and pull this up down. Also got this jacket. It's super big. It's super huge. I think it's like a 3X. This was indeed $10. I love this olive green color. And I want to make this into a dress. Like, guys, could you imagine this being a dress? Like a fitted, you know, mini dress. What do you guys think? Like, it's just great leather. I don't know if I could even sew leather together. I don't think I can. But the idea of it is cute to me. Like, I can imagine this being a nice dress. And I paid $10 to get this. So I'm excited about this. This is something I envision being great. Who knows? Hopefully I don't totally destroy this 100% leather jacket. Because that wouldn't be fun. Okay, last but not least, I've actually worn this already. Is this military jacket. This is a real military, authentic military jacket. I think in the video I actually showed a rack of these jackets. Like, people just donate these jackets, and obviously it's in style to have military jackets, and you can buy them at a store, a fresh new jacket that no one's used. But this has so much history. It's vintage, it's authentic. It just feels a certain way when you wear it. Like, you feel good about it when you get it. And I think I spent like $15 for this jacket. Some have like badges and stuff, and to me, I felt kind of sensitive about having a jacket with badges. This is, somebody's work and honor that was put into this. I don't know the history behind it. So for me, I really wanted to get something with no patches on it. And I did, like, part of me wants to modify, but another part of me is like, I don't want to really destroy someone's honor or destroy someone's history. So for me right now, I'm keeping it as is, and I'm thinking if anything, I'll add buttons and patches, things that I can take off and put on again. But yeah, this is just a nice piece that I have in my wardrobe that I can just pair with something. Again, similar to like the oversized jacket, I can put something that's fitted under it, or I can just wear it casually. I wore it on my hike recently. So I really like this piece. Guys, this is the end of all my hauled items. I feel like I got a lot of oversized things. I love fitted things, but I got a lot of oversized things, especially because it's outerwear. Sometimes you want to layer things. Tell me, guys, what was your favorite piece? What would you do to the pieces that I asked to modify, like this shirt? And what pieces would you add or wouldn't add? Or do you have any of these similar items? And where do you like to thrift in your city or state? All right, guys, until next time, peace. If feels very, to me, it feels very 90s when everyone wore oversized outfits. You could look back to like TLC or Total or stuff like that. Like, they would wear oversized clothes. That was a style, and that's when I put this on, it reminds me of that. I had something like this from a different brand when I was younger. So I think that's why I got this.